It all started when I stumbled upon this EVKIT, MAX25205 optical infrared sensor for gesture and proximity applications. And immediately, I wanted to build a synthesizer that's controlled by hand movement. Here's the synth I created in Python using Pio, a powerful audio library. It's a set of two banks of supersaw-style oscillators, each playing a chord from A minor progression. Bank A is the main progression, and B is kind of a harmonic bass layer. Different chord will play depending on where the hand is on the x-axis. Then we apply ADSR, filtering, and a bit of reverb. Y-axis controls oscillator's detune and filter cutoff, and how close the hand is controls overall volume. Finally, we pan the sound slightly based on X for some added stereo space. You can find code and more details in the description. Let's listen to the result.